All right, so this is bottom of, I don't know, I think it's like the second to last page, isn't it? Okay, we've done up through 6, I think, correct? Yes, good. Okay, so we just have 7 and 8 to discuss. Ethan Gallagher, is that your calculator? Is it definitely mine?
It says Ireland like 4 times.
Okay, then that's okay that you can take that one, but yay, thank you, Ryan. Even better. Okay, that one's definitely one of mine because it's the bright orange, so that works. Okay, all right. Number 7, find the actual score for students who are in the bottom 25%. So remember, when you are given a percent, you are looking in the meat of the table, the inside part of the table, for as close to 25% as you can find. You are not going to find an exact value. You have to find as close as possible as you can find to 25% on here. So what z-score is that?
That is negative 6.
Yes.
Negative 0.6.
Negative 0.67. Guys, does everybody see that?
I don't understand how you're getting any of these numbers.
All right, so we're good with our z-score of negative 0.67, right? Okay, now we're plugging into the formula. Our formula says z-score. Well, we know the z-score. What we don't know is what the actual value is, that observation. And then minus, what was our mean? 100 all over 6 is our standard deviation. So now we're trying to solve for that x. We've got to do the algebra, the math, in order to solve for that x. So we need to do 6 times that negative 0.67. Whatever that's equal to. Help me out here, guys. Negative 4.02, thank you, is equal to x minus 100. And then we're going to add the 100. So 95.98 is that actual score.
You're wrong.
Boom. Isn't that nice? Who's wrong?
Jackson Rigby.
No. He's never wrong. He's always right. Okay, questions on that one? We got to look at this last one too. What's the trick with the top 10%? What are we going to look for? Okay, yeah, when it's top 10%, top whatever percent, subtract from 100.
So I'm looking for closest to 10 now.
No, so I'm looking for as close to as I can find to 90%. Peyton, am I looking on the left side of this table or the right? Okay, the right, most definitely the right. And I'm looking for as close to 90% as I can get. So what is it going to be?
1.28.
0.08. No.
1.28.
Yeah, you got to keep going. You can get way closer to 90% than what you just told me at point whatever.
I was only reading the top line too.
Oh, don't do that. That's the hundredth place of your z-score.
No, I'm saying I was going through that. I got the
Okay, so what's the z-score that we need to use?
1.28.
There you go. So 1.28 for our z-score. We just used that on that last problem we did on the other worksheet also. So 1.28 is equal to some amount we don't know that we're trying to figure out, minus 100 all over 6. We're going to multiply by 6, so we're doing 6 times this 1.28 is equal to x minus 100. I'm counting on you guys because I don't have my answer key in my 107.68. Booyah. Boom. Okay? When you see percents, you're looking in the meat of the table. That's what you have to remember.